Okay, so a couple of quick to the point things on changing your air filter on your Dodge Charger and your cabin filter. I believe this is on 2011 through 2017 or 18. So your air filter is right here. You've got 1, 2, 3 screws. Then you'll pull this up and there are some tabs back there, so you have to angle it this way and pull it out. Over here, your cabin filter, you've got 2 tabs here. You pull them, lift it, and then inside, let me just go ahead and pull it out so you can see this. Inside of here, you've got a tab on each side that you got to pull back on, and then this will hinge, and then you just change that out, okay? That'll snap back in, and then so will that, of course. Now here's the main thing that I wanted you guys to see. If you go to like a Jiffy Lube or one of these places that offers to change out your filter and you tell them no, there's a good chance they're gonna open this up in the process, look at it, and then they're gonna have to put it back on. This piece cannot be put on properly without removing this AC hose that goes to this, and without removing this by loosening the screw. If you try to put this back on without removing those, everything's gonna be fucked up and it's not going to be cleaning air properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Once you disconnect this, okay, that and that, and you have this unscrewed, I unscrewed it in advance so I wouldn't waste your time. In order to put this back on, you've got these tabs over here, okay? These teeth. They can't go in flat. They actually have to go down at an angle in, and in order to do that, you have to remove these 2 hoses. My problem is twice now when I've gone in for the quick oil change, they try to sell me one of these fucking air filters, and then when I say no and they put this thing back on, instead of disconnecting these hoses, angling it in and screwing it in properly, they just had the fucking thing setting on top like that, fucking up my car. So I would advise that you don't even let them check it. I would tell them not to check it if you plan on changing it out. You can buy these filters for, I got both of them together on eBay for like 20 bucks, and they're the exact same thing, right to spec. This is the brand new one. This is the old one. By the way, you wanna know why it's curved like that? It's because the fucking idiots, instead of putting it back in properly, they just pushed it as hard as they can. These teeth aren't even in place, and this thing is sitting in there crooked. My engine's getting fed all kinds of dirty air. Anyway, that's how you do it. Air filter, cabin filter.